Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to show all tabs on the Finder application using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the Finder application which is built into the Mac computer. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go all the way down to the dock, go to the Find application, and now let's open up a couple of tabs. Tab 1, tab 2, 3, 4, 5. And now if I go to the toolbar on top where it says View, we can show all tabs. And then we have a new view that allows us to quickly look at every tab that's open up in Finder. And then let's go back to View, Exit Tab Overview. Another keyboard shortcut that we could use is Shift, Command, and /. That shows us all the tabs. And to exit the overview, it's the same keyboard shortcut, Shift, Command, and /. So we can now close all the tabs. Quit Finder. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science videos from the start until now.